This is my third day in Hoi An, and I really haven't done too much. I had to get the oil changed to my motorcycle, and I spent some time in my room recovering from an upset stomach. So I'm sharing with you some photographs and a little bit of clips, but there's not too much to this video. In February 2020, I was in Hoi An, and I made a nice video with my drone. I'll put a link to that in the upper corner of this.
Good morning, Vietnam!
So a couple days ago I mentioned that this was a walking street only. Turns out you can drive down here until 9 o'clock. So I'm going to drive through the market with you. This is always a little tedious. You never know when you need to stop, but go slow and see how. I don't think I can go down that way. No other motorbikes. I think basically people are getting on their motorbike and getting out of the restricted area at this time. So I'd be smart to do the same. But in the meantime, let's see what we can record. Finished a banh mi from this place. It's about 50% more expensive than what you get on the street, but it is a little bit better. Why is it expensive and why is it so busy? This is the one that Anthony Bourdain visited a few years ago.